Where's the audience?
There they are!
Kia ora, te whānau.
Hey, can you hear that?
I can, Oma. I can. That means it's toy time! Woohoo!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Woo! Kia ora koutou, nau mai, haere mai. Ko mai a tōku ingoa and welcome to the Toy Time Whare. These are my friends Jojo and Ricky.
Kia ora.
Today is Opposites Day on Toy Time.
Opposites are two words that have very different meanings, like day and night.
It's dark.
I am the opposite of dark is light.
Another opposite is near.
And far. Kia ora, Jojo.
Oh!
This is fun. Oop.
Another opposite is warm like the sunshine and cold like the snow.
Oh, kia ora te whānau.
Cool, Buzz.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Oh, what are you doing out in the cold without warm clothes on?
We're learning about tauaro opposites.
Could you change it back to warm, please, Jojo? The cold makes me want hot soup dumplings.
Hey, here's another opposite. Standing around talking and playing. Hoaka tātou. Woo.
Big and small, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Big and small, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Let's all get as big as we can. Reach up high with me. Let's all get as small as we can. Touch your toes down low. Big and small, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Quiet and loud, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Quiet and loud, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Let's all get as quiet as we can. Let's all get as loud as we can. Roar! Quiet and loud, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Yes and no, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Yes and no, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Let's all nod our heads like yes. Let's all shake our heads like no. Yes and no, are they the same? No, quite the opposite. They are opposites. Quite the opposite. They are opposites. Quite the opposite. They are opposites.
Just the last one, Buzz.
Okay.
Whoa! Miharo, what a cool whare.
Kia ora, Aroha. Thanks.
All done. Hey, Mōhio, could you please tell us the story of Buzz the Butterfly?
Of course. Once upon a toy time, there was a boy called Ricky who lived in a little house in the forest.
Kia ora, lei hou.
Ricky's only friend was Buzz the caterpillar, who lived in the same forest.
You're my best friend.
Oh, you're my best friend too.
Dickie and Buzz wanted, more than anything, to be able to play with the other kids, but they were both too small.
I wish I could be as big as you, Aroha.
Oh, everyone grows exactly the way they should, Dickie. You're perfect, just the way you are.
Good night, Buzz the caterpillar.
Poor Marie. Good night, Riki.
One morning, Dickie woke to find that everything had changed.
Whoa. Oh, I'm big! Buzz, I'm big! Oh, whoops.
Buzz was snuggled up inside his cocoon, sleeping a long, special sleep.
Morning, Dickie. Hey, you've grown.
Wanna play?
Oh, yes, please.
Aroha and Dickie played while Buzz still slept in his little cocoon. Until one day,
Riki! Aroha! Tino! I have butterfly wings. I'm a butterfly.
Ah, Tahua. Well, I wish I could grow wings like you, Buzz.
Everyone grows exactly as they should, Aroha. You're perfect just the way you are.
That's true. Hey, do you want to play together?
Oi!
and play they did.
Butterfly toss.
Kwembutu. The end.
Whoa! Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Basakas, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm on a mission to explore opposites. Come on! You know, opposites like taumaha, heavy, and mama, light. Or ki runga, ki raro. Runga, raro, up, down, runga, raro. Whee! Ki roto, in, ki waho, out. Ooh, I can see another one, my cousins. Come on! Check it out, my cousins. It's a tarere, a swing. Can you guess what tauaro this is gonna be? I'll give you a clue. Woo, 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 woo. Let's do it. Okay. Ki mua, ki muri. Forwards, backwards. Okay, get ready for my dismount. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Woo! Okay, my cousins, let's do this one together. Let's move to our left. Nikemawi. Okay, let's move to our right. Nikemato. Nikemawi. Nikemato. 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 Fast. Slow. All this mahi exploring different tauaro has me super tired. And wera, hot. I think I need to sit down. Hey, rangi a tāhua. It sure is a beautiful day. And the rays of Tamanui te rā a tino wera. Hot. They've made me tino wera. Hey, what's the opposite of hot? What is the opposite of hot? Oh, I know. Cold. Makariri. I've got a drink that's tino makariri. Ka kite anō, my cousins.
Kia ora, beautiful tamariki. Won't be a moment, I'm just looking for something. No. No. Whoa, where is it? Oh, I found it! Ta-da! This is the letter L. L is for lots of words like lemon, lick, leopard, rah, and lunch. But today, L is for left, as in my left hand. Do you get confused sometimes about which is your left hand and which is your right hand? I do too. I'm going to show you a handy little trick because I love you a lot. Okay. Hey. I was facing the front before and now I'm facing the opposite way, the back. The back. I promise I'm not being rude, but we just have to be facing the same direction for this to work, okay? See this L shape? L for left. Shoot. When I hold up my left hand like this, it makes an L shape too. L. It doesn't work if I do it with my right hand, see? Can you see that? It only works on the left. You have a go. Go. L. L for you legend. I love you. Mwah.
Are you ready, Wolfie?
Ready?
On your marks, get set, bang!
Ooh, small.
Quiet.
Loud.
Now you see me.
Now you don't.
Hey, Buzz, you're finally here.
Kia ora, Ricky. Oh, am I late again?
No, I'm just very excited for
Takoro time! Me too! To the garden!
Yeah.
Oh, Ricky, we need to collect a few things on the way too. Little toys, coins, rocks, that sort of thing, okay?
Cool. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
It's Takoro time! And today's game is called Sink or Float.
Ooh, what's sink?
Oh, when something is dense, it sinks in water. Down, 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 all the way to the bottom.
Whoa, like a stone in the river.
Aye.
And what's float?
Oh, float is the opposite of sink. When something is buoyant, it floats on top of water.
Ooh, like a boat.
Aye. You got it. Today, we're going to put different things in water to see if they sink or float.
Okay, let's try a coin.
Ooh.
Ooh. Whoa, it's sunk.
It did sink, Ricky. Okay, my turn. I'm going to try this ping pong ball. Will it sink or will it float? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, it
It
floats.
does float.
Okay. Ooh, how about this toy car?
Ooh.
Ooh, this is gonna sink.
Okay.
Whoa, it floats.
It does float, Ricky. Okay, I need another turn. I'm going to try a rock.
Ooh, here we go.
3, 2, 1, rock.
Oh, it sunk.
It sunk really fast.
Whoa, some things look like they should sink to the bottom, but they float. Why is that, Buzz?
Well, my koro said to me that it's because of how dense they are. If it has lots of air in it, like this ping pong ball, it'll float. And if it doesn't have much air in it, like this marble, it'll sink.
Whoa, man, this is fun, Buzz. I'm going to take all my toys to the bath tonight and play the sink or float game again.
Hey, whatever floats your boat, Ricky. Yeah, let that one sink in.
Happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad. I was happy and now I'm sad. Awake, asleep, awake, asleep, awake, asleep.
sleep. Woo! These are the opposites of these. Happy and sad, awake and asleep. These are the opposites of these. The opposites of these. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. I was hot and now I'm cold. Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow. I was fast and now I'm slow. These are the opposites of these. Happy and sad, awake and asleep. These are the opposites of these. 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 Cha cha cha.
I'm learning how to ride my bike. Here I go. Bouncing is hard, but I'm getting better. Sometimes I fall off, but that's okay. I get up and try again. Good job, Finn. We also love our scooters. The wheels light up. I can do tricks. My brother keeps losing his shoe. My scooter keeps running away. Run away, scooter! We love playing on our scooters. Bye!
Good evening and welcome to tonight's broadcast. After many years of investigation, scientists have discovered the heaviest thing in the world. The world! That's right, folks. Weighing in at 6 septillion kgs, that's 24 zeros. The world weighs more than anything else in the world. Phew! In other news, after many years of investigation, scientists have discovered the lightest thing in the world, aerographene. We have one here to show you. Where did it go? Jojo, Ricky, Buzz, Aroha. Oh, Jojo. Oh, apparently aerographene is so light, it's even lighter than air and it floated away. It's currently somewhere over Taumaru Nui. Thanks, Jojo. Luckily, we have a very close-up picture of what aerographene looks like. Wow. And that concludes today's broadcast. Hei te wā.
Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. I saw a unicycle down the road that just had one wheel. I saw a bicycle with two, now that sounds much more ideal. I think a tricycle has 3 wheels, no less and no more. I've never seen a quad cycle, I guess that has 4. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. have found. Scooters have just 2 wheels, which I think is just great. Rollerblades have 4 wheels, each a total of 8. 4 wheels on a car when we all go for a drive. Trains have like 1,365. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Wheels can take us from the north to the south. Hooty, hooty, go round and round. Show me all the wheels that you have found. Show me all the wheels that you have found.
Are you gonna tell me why we're here, Jojo?
Oh, soon, Ricky. We're just waiting for Maya and Buzz to arrive.
Kia ora. Buzz said that you wanted us all in the playroom for something fun.
I had an idea for Opposites Day. Come in close. Toru, rua, tahi.
Kia ora. Ko Jojo aho, and I like trucks and diggers and making a mess.
Kia ora, ko Maya tōku ingoa. I like gardening and baking and keeping things tidy.
Kia ora, I'm Buzz, and I love to play. Oh.
Kia ora te whānau, I'm Ricky, and I'm a great dancer.
Hey, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Woo!
Woo-hoo!
It's Takaro time!
Woo-hoo!
We're all different, and that's what makes the Toy Time whānau so special.
Wait a minute. Is this Marmite on your t-shirt, Jojo?
You mean, is that Marmite on your shirt, Jojo?
Oh, that's another opposite. Dirty and clean, and I like to be clean. I think I'm ready to swap back now, Jojo.
What do you mean? I'm Maya.
Jojo.
Nice moves, by the way, Ricky.
Oh, nice muscles, Buzz.
Cool.
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 I remember the first time I saw it, and soon all that I saw had turned white. It was floating so slowly around me. It was such a beautiful sight. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. I remember the first time I touched it. It was soft and so cold on my hand. Then I got down and made a snow angel, and our father made a snowman. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. I remember the first time it melted, and the white on the ground disappeared. What a treat that it came here to visit. Maybe I can see snow next year. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around.
Pacifica group at my school.
My family is Tongan and Māori.
My mum is the tutor. I like it when she comes to school. The older ones help the younger ones get into the lava lava.
Utu. Tang.
I like it because we get to learn about my Tongan side and have fun.
Middle, shoulders, out. Monkey. Ua.
I love the drums.
My very big brother comes too. We're learning lots of different movements.
We all have fun together. My mum's a good teacher.
Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is the story about writing in different languages. In a colourful home in the city of Wellington, Jean and Joy were busy at their desk with their handwriting homework. Jean concentrated very hard on writing the letter O in a smooth circle, each trying to look less and less wobbly. Joy practiced her favourite letter, J, making sure the tail flicked up just right. Across the house, they heard a big rustle of paper. They paused their homework to investigate. At the dining table, their grandfather, Gong Gong, had laid out big sheets of white paper. "Hello, girls," he said. "I'm writing Chinese calligraphy." He picked up his fur-tipped paintbrush and dipped it into a tray of black ink. Jean and Joy watched as Gong Gong took a calming breath and swept his paintbrush across the paper in many smooth lines, dashes and hooks. "Is it a drawing?" Joy asked. "No," said Gong Gong. "This is Chinese character." "Like the letters we're practicing to write?" asked Jean. "You're writing in English," said Gong Gong. "This is Chinese symbol, meaning love. I thought of you girls while I wrote it." "Can we have a go at writing calligraphy?" asked Joy. Gong Gong nodded and turned to a fresh sheet of paper. Jean took the brush first and wrote a big letter L and O, just a little bit wobbly. Joy then took the brush and wrote V and E, concentrating on keeping the lines straight. "Gong Gong, we wrote this for you. In English, it spells love," said Joy. Gong Gong smiled and put their words next to his own. They all looked at the words, happily understanding that love can be shared in different languages. The end.
Hi, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe wha e noho